Hello, I'm Jenny Stratus, Sales Master from Melbourne, Australia. I first became aware of Atomy in 2017 from a friend whom I had not seen for at least 6 months. The first thing I noticed about her was she looked different, radiant and younger. I started asking her, what did she do to herself? I thought she had some cosmetic or plastic surgery. She said she was using different skincare. That was when I became interested in Atomy. I have seen the improvement in my friend's complexion. I therefore wanted to try the products. I'm very happy with Atomy skincare. My complexion improves so much. Besides Atomy skincare, which I love, I also love the toothpaste and the toothbrush. Toothbrush gold-plated, why? Must be expensive. That was my first impression. I have been using readily available brands in the supermarkets. Curious to see if they are as good as what I was told, I started using Atomy toothbrush and toothpaste. My teeth and gums are not as sensitive as they used to be. My teeth feel clean, fresh, and my gums do not bleed because of the beneficial properties of the gold-plated bristles and the Propolis toothpaste, and they have improved my oral health. I now enjoy food more than I used to. Because the soft and gold-plated bristles, the toothbrush has natural antibacterial properties. My teeth and oral hygiene has improved tremendously. I hardly had an oral infection like my mouth ulcer or gum infection. Together with the Propolis toothpaste, my oral hygiene has been the best. Besides Atomy skincare, toothbrush, toothpaste, I have also used many other Atomy products. I therefore encourage everyone to try Atomy products. I think Atomy's product philosophy of absolute quality and absolute price really applies. Thank you for listening. I am Sales Master Jenny Stratus from Melbourne, Australia. See you next time.